Hi everyone, thanks for joining. This is Valerie with Celestial Lights Gifts. Several weeks ago I shared a color combination for a letter I was going to pour on. It had pinks and yellows, and this is the actual piece now that it's been delivered to my client, and I got to see her little girl and hold her, and she's such a little peanut and so cute. So the little girl's name is Scarlet. I did a J for her sister Jaclyn a few years back. And so when she was having her new baby, she had reached out. I'm laying down a thin layer of PPG. It's a white house paint that you pick up at Home Depot, and that basically helps your colors, your colors, like this color, flow. And my colors are light pink from Amsterdam, groovy from TLP, this little Piggy. That was fairy floss that you just saw. That's a pigment. And then I believe that is rose, permanent rose from Winsor and Newton. And you know what? I think that second color, the hot pink, that is Hustle from TLP, not groovy. It's Hustle. I'm using a white cell activator. It's mixed with Australian Floetrol. And it is hailing outside. Oh my goodness, it's been sunny all day, and we just got this blip on the radar, and it is hailing. New England weather for you. So anyway, titanium white from Amsterdam and Australian Floetrol is my cell activator, and I'm going to be variegating some pink and yellow puddles. That's what I'll be doing here. All of my paints and pigments are mixed with Valspar Ultra Base C. It's a deep base untinted house paint, and that is the pouring medium as part of the Shelly Art Bloom technique, which is the technique that you're seeing me do here. These colors were the first time that I had used the Valspar, and I really like the consistency of it, and I love how it dried. Ever since I started the Bloom technique, I've been using Behr 8300, the deep base untinted. And I started off using and mixing it with polyacrylic, but then the Josonja Gloss Varnish became available. And so I was using that, and I used that for probably the past 3 years, maybe 6 months now. All of my pores are starting to just have really wonky cells. So let me just share these colors with you. That is Lemon Sorbet from this little Piggy. This is Naples Yellow from, I believe it's Arteza. And then Submarine from TLP. And the last yellow is, I believe it's just lemon or primary lemon from Arteza. And a white cell activator. So anyway, back to the pouring mediums. So I wanted to try something different, and the a lot of the Shelly Art bloomers have been switching over to either the Valspar or Behr Dynasty. So I thought I'd give the Valspar a try. And the only thing I didn't like about it was it does mute your colors mixed up. It does dry true, but it does mute the colors. So I bought some Behr Dynasty, and I'm going to give that a go and see how that mixes up. There's no Josonja in any of these. There is a little bit of water to thin them out, and they still ended up looking a bit thicker than when I had very first mixed them up. So I'm going to increase the speed a bit here, because you're just going to see me do the same thing over and over and over again with the same color combination. Let me know if you have any questions about this technique or this piece, or about the Bloom technique at all, or any of the ingredients that I've used. I'm happy to share, and I will leave you to it. Until next time, thanks for joining. Bye.